Okay. So for example, you have a vendor. Okay. The company, you have blocked the vendor at the company code level. Okay. Only company code level. Is it possible to create a new purchase order? Possible. So company code blocking will not stop you to create a purchase order. Okay, it's like mostly the posting block. So it will not allow you to post invoice receipt, but it will allow you to create a purchase order. Okay. So if you have a blocking at purchasing organization, then system will not allow you to create a purchase order because you are blocking for a procurement. Okay. So the posting block at the company code only, that will be like no more postings to that vendor. Okay. Generally, it will be blocked for a certain time, maybe a month and maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks. They will block to all the vendors with respect to vendors not to do any postings, financial postings. So then this blocking function can be used. Okay, maybe 15 days they will block and then they will unblock it. So whatever the POs are getting created and sent to vendors and all, they can do the receipts and invoice in the future. So that is the functionality.